Today, I vowed to myself to become a Spartan. So I want to be a Spartan in training. You look at my back. Spartan in training. So what's a Spartan? Basically, Spartan is like a person with active lifestyle. So it's like a campaign for people to get off the couch and start moving and start really improving their bodies. If you've seen the movie 300, I think, yeah, that's basically like the goal. It's just a fitness campaign, a lifestyle campaign to become, to be fitter and eat better, and to be the best, to be in the best shape of your life. So today, yes, I'm gonna commit myself towards becoming a Spartan. And also, hey, if you're in a fitness journey and you want to test yourself, there's a Spartan race coming up here in Cebu this coming June 16. And if you want to learn more about it, check out this video.
Well, we have the Spartan Sprint coming here to Foressa on June 16th. The Sprint is a 5+ kilometer, 20+ obstacle course. So this is our entry-level course. This is the course that we drag people off the couch to get to. You know, this is the first step of the 3 steps in the Spartan trilogy, let's say. And so what do you expect? Expect some hills. You're in Foressa, we're in Cebu, we have mountains. Expect some water, you know, expect some mud, and expect having a lot of good times. But at the end of the day, if you're looking at, you know, how long is this thing going to be? About 5 to 8 kilometers. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much. You're going to have to wait till race day till then. And then 20+ obstacles. Again, I'm not going to tell you how much or what they are, but on race day, you'll find out. Racers must bring good shoes. Solomon's are great shoes, trail running shoes. You don't want to be sliding all over the place. I promise you, you do not want to be doing that. Good breathable compression shirt and pants. You want to bring some nutrition. You know, if you on hydration pack. We do have water on course, but if you want to have a lot more water, we always encourage people to be self-sufficient. Nutrition, whether it's goos or other racing nutrition, it's good to have. OCR is different than marathoning or trail running. You're switching from anaerobic to aerobic quite a bit. You're going to be using a lot of energy very fast, so those nutritions are going to be really good. And then a good attitude. You know, competitive, but also something that's more communal and bring a camaraderie to share with other racers on the course. What to expect in a hurricane heat? Expect a hurricane. Expect everything. Expect to do a lot of burpees. Expect to push yourself farther than you've ever thought possible. Expect some tears, expect some trying times, but at the end of the day, expect to feel like the best human being you've ever felt in your entire life.
The reason why we first of all came to the Philippines, we wanted to bring Spartan Race much closer to Filipinos in general. I have always had a passion for Cebu because I love the scuba diving here, I love the Cebuano spirit, and I said this is the perfect time to introduce Spartan Race to Cebu, get a feeling on how Cebu is with respect to outdoor sports, what can we do, how can we dress this up a little bit, and we have very positive vibes by and large, so we will definitely do at least 2 races a year in Cebu to keep the community together, to grow Spartan and to grow the outdoor love for outdoors in Cebu. We started from scratch, from zero last year, July, and by now we have online, I mean Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, we have over 300,000 permanent followers, and the community is growing and growing and growing. So it's very well perceived. We're very happy to be part of forming the obstacle race scene in the Philippines.
Okay, we'd like to invite you to join Spartan and also have a great opportunity to actually contribute to children who need cleft surgeries through Smile Train. So with the Spartan Race, we're actually contributing 25% of the entry fee for these Smile Train surgeries. And the good thing is, if you check out the Foressa Trails Facebook page, you can find out how to register online, and you'll actually even get a 25% discount, which is great. So the rates that we have is, for example, for the sprint, instead of 3,250, you only have to pay 2,437. For the hurricane heat, the discounted price is already just 3,000. And then for the kids, it's 712. So please visit our Foressa Trails Facebook page, and then that way you can get details of how you can get a discount for the Spartan race on June 16 at Foressa, of course. At the same time, give a smile to a child and give this child a better future. Thank you.
The purpose of partnering with Spartan is two. We want to promote the Foressa Mountain Town and the trail facility. And we want to promote outdoor living, outdoor sports, and just enjoying the natural beauty in general. The Foressa Mountain Town is currently available for sale. If you're interested or have any questions, please contact AboitizLand sales representatives. You can go to the experiential room in Ako, Manila, Cebu, or you can visit the sales pavilion at Foressa, Consumoroy, Balamban.
Couch potatoes, get up, and we see you all in Foressa on June 16. Bright and early, and have a great race there.
This is race director Mike Reyes, and I'm going to see you at the Spartan Race. Aru, June 16th, Foressa, Balamban, Cebu. See you there.